Are you kneading? Just for no reason? Sweetie, are you just happy? Is that your spot? Is that just your spot, sweetie? What are you looking at? The birds? Yeah, you're kneading, thinking of killing the birds? You little murderer. Ooh, don't do that. Ooh, don't do that. They're indoor onlys. Just letting you know. Although I think most of you know that. Oh god, how cute. But there's no reason to knead. She's just been kneading. Ooh, happy girl. Can I come pet?
She was staring at a chunky blue jay before, but it seems to have fallen off since.
Do you see a chunky? Did you see a chunky blue jay? Did you? Oh, sweet girl. Perfect. Aurora, do you know your name yet, sweetie? Aurora. Hi, Aurora. Ooh, is the bird more interesting? Good girl.
Oh, what a happy kitten. Happy girl.
She got an orange ear. Got a black ear. She purrs. Is this your tux? Did you put on a tux?
Good job, sweetie.
Good job, sweetie. Is this your tux? Show off your little tux. You gotta put your head up. Perfect. Good job. I gotta go get a Daisy here, though. Daisy. Oh.
Oh.
Happy Dappy.
Daisy.
She watches stunned. Look how cute.
Aww.
She's, whoa. That's a cool cat. Look how biggie. Hi, Biggie.
Happy big girl.
Happy big girl. You gonna get pet? You gonna get pet?
It's just a big kitten.
Big kitten. Pat, 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 pat. Big kitten.
Oh. The biggest kitten.
Noink. Is she still watching? No, she's watching the birds again. Daisy, that was cute. That was cute. That was cute. Good job. Good job. That was cute. Good job. Good job. Good job. Oh. Are you just trying to destroy the camera?
Oh my.
Oh my.
Dude, that's not very good of you.
Daisy, can I give you this? No, I can't, but I can try again. Daisy. Good going, Daisy.
Nice job.
Now she's fascinated again. Daisy. Her mouth's open a bit. Are you upside down?
Happy.
Oh. That was stinky. Nice! Oh, never mind. Just rolls right off. Oh, nope, you finally got her.
Oh. She's been enticed.
Yeah. Just, what is this? Gotta check it out. Yeah, Daisy? She stares off. Yeah, sweetie? She's upset. She doesn't know where it went. I mean, I think she knows where it went, but she doesn't seem to be caring enough to take it out. Oh, well. Oh, is your head puffy?
Oh.
Let me push that back down. Perfect.